Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to set up an auto reply in WhatsApp Business. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up the WhatsApp Business, and as you can see, this is the interface of the app. Go ahead and click on tools at the bottom middle right here. You're going to see it, and basically what you're going to do, you're going to see the many tools that you can use, and you're going to see in the last section messaging tools, and you can see you can set on a greeting message or away message that you are away, and you can respond at a certain amount of time, and quick replies for quickest replies in labels. So I'm gonna click greeting message, and I'm gonna toggle this one on, and the recipients will be everyone, and I'm gonna say in that message, thank you for contacting me, please let us know how we can help. Hit save. So everyone, when they message you, they will get that greeting message to help them out and see what's the issue. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.